When you're redesigning your space, you can adjust the strength of AI intervention. So you can decide and control how much AI you want involved in your design process, from light suggestions to complete makeovers. So let's start off with very low intervention for my home office. This was the before and now the after. It's added some patterns to the wall, which is very nice and light. No drastic changes here. Okay, now let's try low intervention. I'm still keeping the modern design style. Low intervention is still similar to very low intervention, but the patterns on the wall are a lot much bolder. Now let's try medium AI intervention. This is what I usually use depending on what I would like to change. This time I'm going to use my kitchen because it's a lot bigger than my home office, so we can actually see the changes. There are bigger changes, but you can still tell that it's the same room. For example, the windows are in the same space. Now let's try extreme AI intervention. I mean, the changes are a lot more bolder and drastic. And this also works for creative redesign. Check this out. So being able to adjust the AI intervention is great because you can tailor it for your design preferences. It's my favorite one. Let's compare it to the before. Redesigning isn't easy, but with HomeDesigns AI, it's thousands of times more efficient and cheaper. Try it out for yourself at HomeDesigns AI.